so tatted all over her body, oh. She just wanna roll and I don't mind it.